foodies, welcome to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to make a scrumptious lobster roll with a side of fried potatoes. Very simple steps in just a few minutes. You will be needing potatoes, cooking oil, seasoning, lobster, wild caught prefer, brioche buns where you can get at a local grocery store, unsalted butter, half a head of garlic. You can add lemon and garnish with some celery. Let's go ahead and slice the potatoes. I don't like the ends, so I'm gonna take that out. Slice them as thick as you like. Let's add oil to a pan. Make sure it's on medium high. While that is heating up, let's add some seasoning to our potatoes. Make sure all the potatoes are mixed well. You want all the potatoes to have the salt. Add one potato at a time. You do not want a grease burn. Let's fill up this whole pan with potatoes. You want to spread them evenly so they can cook evenly and are crispy and brown and nice. Let's add butter on another pan. For the lobster, you're going to want to melt this butter very slow. You do not want to burn the butter. Let's add garlic to our butter so we can put the lobsters in. I personally like it with a lot of garlic, so add just as much as garlic as you like. Checking on our potatoes, they look really, really, really good. They're crispy, golden brown. I will remove these now. They are ready. Now that we have our butter ready, we're going to add our garlic. Let's stir in our garlic here. Add the lobster tails. Again, you do not want to burn your butter, so make sure it's on medium low. Let's add one by one here. They look so good already. Let's go ahead and cover them. And about 5 minutes later, you want a sneak peek. Make sure they're looking good. You want them red and pink. Pink and a little reddish. So you don't want to overcook these. They do cook really fast. Again, you are cooking them on low heat on butter. Now that our lobsters are looking like they're almost done, you want to go ahead and flip them one more time with the shell on the other side. Give them about 2 or 3 more minutes. This is what we're looking for. So after 2-3 minutes that we gave it, the lobster tails are ready. Again, when you guys turn it off, they will continue to cook. So let's go ahead and put these to the side. This is the color you're looking for. Let's put them to the side here and let those continue cooking. So this is a result of our lobster tails. It's time to open up these babies and see how delicious they look from inside. So our results are in. Oh my goodness, they are perfectly cooked. Good job, you guys. Thank you. Let's remove the meat now. Remove all the meat you can because you are gonna definitely need it in your bun. We removed most of the butter in the pan. Now we're gonna warm up the buns with the same butter of the lobster so it can give it way more flavor. What a delicious, buttery, soft bun that is. Now that our buns are ready, let's go ahead and add our lobster meat. Oh my goodness, dear Jesus. Let's make sure we put all the meat in there and add that butter that we cooked the lobster with. I like it personally with lots of garlic, so I'm gonna add some garlic and more butter. And there it is, you guys, my foodies. Look at this delicious, buttery, bomb garlicky, soft, tender lobster roll. Final dish. Everything's homemade except for the bread. But there you go. Now, let's try it. Cheers. Oh my god. So delicious, buttery, tender. Doesn't even need salt. Let's take a my lobster roll, homemade, with a side of fried potatoes. This was a delicious, delicious meal. Hope you try it. And it all pays off with this delicious lobster roll that we just made. Congrats. Make sure you share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, my foodies, and stay tuned for more videos.